Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a cheap and easy compost bin at home. It's great to compost because it cuts down on the amount of waste that we send to the landfill, and it allows us to make organic matter for our garden beds. You can make a compost bin out of pretty much anything you have lying around the house. You actually don't even need to make a bin. You can just compost right in a heap. I have 3 dogs, so I need a structure to protect my bin. The design I'm going to show you today is very simple, and it's made out of hardware cloth and wire. Here I have 10 feet of hardware cloth. For step 1, I want to make sure that the cross wires are flush with the long wire. So I'm going to take a metal file and file them down so that I don't get scratched when I handle the compost bin. Now that the wires are all flush, I'm going to bend the hardware cloth into a circular shape. 10 feet of hardware cloth should give you a compost bin with a diameter of about 3 feet. Now that I've got the hardware cloth shaped into the general form that I want, I'm going to use the wire to fasten the ends together. I'm going to feed the wire through both ends and tighten it together using these pliers. Then cut off the excess wire. And there you have it, an easy, cheap DIY compost bin that anyone can make at home. Now I'm just going to set it in its place and start composting. Check the video description for links on fact sheets where you can learn more about composting.